Oh man, I was
Oh, I popped my line. Yeah, I'm gonna stop yours and start it again to make a new video.
Yeah, because that's too much. That's too long of a video. No, it's coming down. It's coming down. Hold on.
Hey, hey, we need to put a rock or something on the end of that rope so it sinks, man.
I got it. I put the tip on the. That's all I need. He's coming up. Straight down. Come on. Oh, he's coming back though. I'm gonna hold it there. Hold on. Yes, yes, yes!
Oh, man!
Oh man! Okay.
All right. We're getting better. We're getting better,
Part
guys.
2. On my back.
You mean your butt crack?
Oh my boss, I hurt my back at work last night. Still recording, Charlie?
Yeah. Okay, here he comes. Here he goes. There he is.
Right there.
Oh, shit.
That's a good line, man. 20-pound line for... Oh, if he's that alligator, 100 pounds? Yeah. I'll say that's a good line.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. He's got a branch with him. He's wanting to hit you.
Man, please don't get caught up on that branch.
Don't fall in the water. Bring him out, bring him out. Yeah, Charlie. Don't want to snap the line.
Yeah, don't snap the line. Just be calm, be calm, be calm.
Yeah! Yes! You got her!
Yeah.
Yes! You recording?
Yeah, buddy. There he's going on a death roll. Oh, shit. That's what you call a death roll right there. Oh, he's cranky.
He's a quick little fella.
Yes. Here. Here.
I don't want to get near this thing. Are you still recording one?
Yeah. Don't cut him. This fucking, we're gonna eat him.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna eat him, right, Frenchie? Frenchie. Frenchie. Hey, get him out of there. Get him out of there. Get him up.
No, are you kidding me? I don't want to chase you, man.
Hey, kill him. We're gonna eat him.
No, kill me.
We're gonna eat him, dude.
Stupid. You go pretty.